Mazda's CEO just announced 6 new models for 2026, and what they're doing is so revolutionary it's turning lifelong Mazda haters into believers. Mazda may not be at the same level as, for example, Honda or Toyota in terms of volume, but this Japanese automaker never stops to impress with its dedication to quality, style, luxury, and above anything else, driving experience. For the next year, the bar will be set even higher, with 6 new designs that continue to push boundaries. Let's check them out. Number 6. Next generation Mazda MX5 Miata. The automotive world has been holding its breath, wondering if Mazda would dare mess with perfection. But here's the thing about the next generation MX5 Miata. Mazda isn't changing what makes it special, they're making it even more special. The 5th generation Miata is already deep in development, and everything we're hearing suggests this will be the ultimate expression of what a sports car should be. Mazda's executives have made one thing crystal clear. The new Miata is going to weigh less than 1 ton and measure under 4 meters in length. That's lighter than the current model, which already weighs just 2,330 pounds. But here's where it gets really interesting. The new Miata will feature one of Mazda's revolutionary Skyactiv-Z engines, specifically a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated unit that's been engineered to run in perfect Lambda 1 conditions. This means the engine will deliver the optimal stoichiometric fuel-air mixture throughout the entire rev range, resulting in cleaner emissions without sacrificing performance. What makes this even more impressive is Mazda's unwavering commitment to the manual transmission. While every other manufacturer is rushing toward automatics and dual-clutch systems, Mazda is continuing with the 3-pedal experience because they understand what true driving enthusiasts want. Number 5. Mazda RX9. Here's the announcement that has rotary engine enthusiasts losing their minds. The Mazda RX9 isn't just a rumor anymore, it's becoming reality, and it's going to redefine what a modern sports car can be. Built around the stunning, iconic SP concept, the RX9 represents Mazda's masterful solution to keeping the rotary engine alive in an emissions-obsessed world. The twin-rotor Wankel engine won't be the primary drive source. Instead, it's going to serve as a range extender in an ingenious plug-in hybrid setup. This allows Mazda to deliver that unmistakable rotary character while meeting the strictest modern emission standards. The performance figures are already generating buzz among enthusiasts. Industry insiders suggest the combined output will reach somewhere between 350 and 400 horsepower, putting it directly in competition with the Toyota Supra and Nissan Z. But power numbers only tell part of the story. What's really going to set the RX9 apart is Mazda's philosophical approach to sports car design. This isn't about creating the fastest lap times or the highest top speed. The RX9 is being engineered as a love letter to driving purists, people who understand that the best sports cars aren't necessarily the most powerful ones. The styling will carry forward the emotional design language from the iconic SP, flowing lines, athletic proportions, and that distinctive long hood, short deck profile that screams performance. With rear-wheel drive, near-perfect weight distribution, and a low-slung body, the RX9 promises to deliver something increasingly rare in today's market, a modern-day sports car that prioritizes emotion over statistics. Number 4. Mazda CX20. Mazda is finally ready to challenge the subcompact crossover segment, and the CX20 is going to be their secret weapon. After years of watching competitors dominate this crucial market, Mazda is preparing to launch a vehicle that will redefine what buyers could expect from an entry-level SUV. The CX20 will ride on a platform specifically designed to accommodate hybrid powertrains from day one. This means the entire engine family is going to be electrified, featuring either mild hybrid or full hybrid options, with a plug-in hybrid variant potentially following later. For a brand that's been somewhat late to the electrification party, this represents a massive strategic shift. Visually, the CX20 is going to showcase the latest evolution of Mazda's Kodo design language. Think of it as a smaller CX60 and CX90 with the same sophisticated styling cues that make Mazda SUVs stand out in parking lots. A sporty stance with slim LED headlights, vertically stacked daytime running lights, and aggressive body lines will give it presence well beyond its compact dimensions. The CX20 will primarily target Asia-Pacific markets initially, but don't be surprised if Mazda brings this impressive package to other regions, including North America, once they see how well it performs against established competitors. Number 3. Mazda Arata. Mazda's electrification strategy is about to get serious, and the Arata concept proves they're not playing around anymore. The Arata represents Mazda's full commitment to the EV future. What makes the Arata particularly intriguing is the partnership behind it. Working with Changan Automotive, Mazda is leveraging Chinese battery technology and electric motors while maintaining complete control over design and user experience. This collaboration allows them to deliver competitive EV performance without compromising the design philosophy that makes Mazda vehicles special. From the outside, the Arata looks like a CX5 on steroids, steroids. It follows Mazda's contemporary design philosophy but implements much sharper lines and more aggressive styling cues to emphasize its all-electric nature. The proportions are perfect, the stance is athletic, and every detail suggests this is a vehicle designed for the future, not retrofitted for it. While specific performance figures haven't been released, the Arata is expected to share significant technology with the EZ6 sedan. This means competitive range, fast charging capabilities, and the kind of refined driving experience that Mazda customers expect, regardless of the powertrain. What's most exciting about the Arata is its global potential. Unlike some of Mazda's other concepts that remain regional, this electric crossover has all the ingredients needed for worldwide success. The combination of attractive styling, advanced technology, and Mazda's reputation for build quality could make the Arata a genuine Tesla Model Y competitor. Number 2, next generation Mazda CX5. The new CX5 is here, and it represents everything Mazda has learned about building the perfect compact crossover. It's grown by 4.5 inches in overall length, with the wheelbase stretched by 3 inches to create genuinely class-leading rear seat space. But size isn't the only improvement. The exterior styling evolution is immediately noticeable. The new CX5 adopts design elements from the larger CX70 and CX90, including slimmer headlights, a more pronounced grille surround, and sophisticated LED taillights that give it a premium appearance well beyond its price point. The rear end now features Mazda lettering instead of the traditional logo, signaling the brand's modern design direction. But the real revolution happens inside the cabin. The 2026 CX5 features the largest touchscreen Mazda has ever offered, a massive 15.6-inch display powered by Google built-in technology. This represents a complete departure from Mazda's previous infotainment philosophy, embracing touchscreen operation while maintaining the intuitive user experience the brand is known for. Under the hood, the CX5 launches with the proven 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, delivering 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque. While this might seem conservative, Mazda has something much more exciting planned for the next year. The company is developing their own hybrid system, which will finally give the CX5 the electrified powertrain it needs to compete with hybrid versions of the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. Number 1, Mazda B2000. The number 1 spot belongs to the vehicle that's going to completely disrupt the pickup truck market, the return of the legendary Mazda B2000. While Ford Maverick owners think they're getting a good deal, Mazda is about to make them seriously question their choice. Here's what makes this announcement absolutely shocking. The new B2000 is going to start at just $18,000. That's not a typo. Mazda is bringing back their iconic compact pickup with pricing that undercuts every competitor while delivering the premium experience the brand is known for. The return of the B-Series represents more than just nostalgia. Mazda has identified a critical gap in their lineup and in the market itself. While other manufacturers are pushing trucks larger and more expensive, Mazda is returning to what made the original B2000 so popular: simplicity, reliability, and affordability above all else. The partnership with Toyota makes this possible. By leveraging their growing relationship and joint manufacturing capabilities, Mazda can focus on what they do best: distinctive styling, driver engagement, and premium touches, while Toyota handles the foundational engineering. This platform-sharing approach is exactly what enabled Ford to create the highly successful Maverick, proving that unibody pickups can deliver capability while maintaining car-like efficiency. The design language is going to be pure Mazda. The B2000 will feature the brand's signature Kodo aesthetic with functional pickup practicality. The front end showcases Mazda's distinctive shield grille, flanked by slim LED headlights, creating a sophisticated appearance that's worlds apart from the overly aggressive styling of most modern pickups. The base engine will be a proven 2.5-liter naturally aspirated Sky-Active G 4-cylinder, delivering around 187 horsepower, with a turbocharged version offering approximately 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. This puts the B2000 firmly at the top of the compact pickup segment in terms of power. The most intriguing possibility is what's coming in the future. Industry insiders suggest Mazda is working on a hybrid variant that could incorporate rotary engine technology as a range extender. Rather than directly powering the wheels, this small rotary engine would serve as a generator to charge batteries that power electric motors, a thoroughly innovative approach that could deliver exceptional efficiency while maintaining Mazda's unique character. But Mazda isn't the only automaker that's bringing big novelties for the next year. Check out this video about Nissan's CEO announcing 7 new models for the next year, which you can now see on the screen. The stumbling Japanese giant has prepared to set a new models that will certainly help it get back on track.